Hello, Tiger Nation. It's November the 13th, 3:30 in the afternoon. Going to have just an update here of all the things that's going on here at the high school. Keep everybody on the same page with the events and activities that are going on. We've had a good first 2 days here of this week. We'll say that we did start a new intervention program during our Tiger Time. So some of your children might come home and we talk to you about this. It's an ACT based intervention. We have partnered with a company called On to College, John Baylor. I'm gonna be sending out some Notify Me's with some information. He does provide some videos for parents to watch, so I'll try to be putting those on our Notify Me and on our website. That way, you guys can look at it and know some information about On to College and this program that we're using. Had great reviews today from our staff. Even had some students that came up and just said that it was a great 25-minute lesson today. It's going to be something we do every Tuesday and Wednesday from now until March ACT date. We're just trying this to prepare our kids for that test date and also to perform well on the ACT. It's a very important test. It can help provide scholarships. It can get you dual credit opportunities. It can get you when you go to college. You can might not have to take classes that are remedial classes that you have to pay for and not get credit for. So this is something that we can use to kind of keep our community and our students moving on. That was started today, so you will get some information on that. Second 9 weeks midterm is tomorrow, and that'll be at the conclusion of the day. We will be handing our progress reports on Friday the 16th. I'd like to wish our dance team good luck this weekend as they'll be competing in the KCAA regionals at Muhlenberg County. Also, good luck to our Lady Tiger cheerleading squad as they will be competing at their regional competition in Bowling Green. So good luck to both of those. Next week is just a 2-day week, and then we'll be off Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for Thanksgiving. And then when we get back from that, our basketball season rolls around, and I'll be letting you know about those games and dates when those arrive. I'll leave you just like we started over here at the high school. Everybody work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.